Hello guys, welcome to my channel and my new video. I will make cheese today. First, let me show you the cheese medicine. I use of 2 cups of medicine for 10 liters. I use it when we buy the milk. We add the medicine immediately. It is necessary to cover a cloth for the fermentation of the cheese. It is enough to wait for half an hour or 1 hour. My cheese waited 1 hour. Rennet has become cheese base is ready. I put here. If you have clean cheesecloth, it would be great for straining cheese. Of course, I will do it with a news because I didn't use the juice of the cheese, so I spilled it. It was need to wet the cloth because cheese does not stick. I hope you can explain well because my English is not very good. It's okay, no problem, it's normal. It was the next day. I am looked at cheese. As the cheese gets smaller, I add another container. I will dip the cheese in rock salt and add it to container. Cheese is ready. Enjoy your meal. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will be very happy if you subscribe to my channel.